So right now it's recording everything that's going on my screen.
Oh, yeah.
And
Okay.
it's recording my voice so that when I go to something on here, let's say I'm trying to explain something on my email, I can walk through it, talk through it. This is how you do an attachment. This is how you forward a video. In this case, I just copied this. In fact, this would be a really fun, quick lesson. I copy this text here to a YouTube video, copy link address. Then I go to my web page, and since it's a YouTube video and since Google owns YouTube, I can put in the address here, put this YouTube video on my web page, and publish it. And this is my daughter's a dog trainer. She trained her dog how to pick up laundry off the floor and put it in the washing machine.
Oh, wow. I need to teach my dog how to do that. Is that Australian Shepherd? Maybe?
Yes. It's a Border Collie.
Border Collie. I have an Australian Shepherd. And man,
oh, yeah. Really
so
smart. Really smart. So she's actually a dog trainer, and she's training her dog to be a service dog. And she's getting certified as a dog trainer. And the whole time that I've been describing all of this, I've also been recording the process here.
Oh.